This is the weirdest product on Temu. I could not breathe, and it scared the life out of my grandson. Today, I'm trying the weirdest Temu beauty products. I'll be rating all these from most useful to completely unhinged. Supposedly, these are supposed to help make you relax, and after my YouTube channel being hacked, I definitely need to relax. I don't know, this is supposed to help you make your eyeliner look like Taylor Swift. So I think you're like supposed to put this on your eye. This is definitely not giving Taylor Swift eyeliner here. This is not useful for me, but I think it could be useful for someone else. How do you even put this thing together? Trying to put this thing together, it's like you need a massage after. This product claims that it gets rid of cellulite. What? If this is supposed to go on your leg, where does your leg go? This does not fit on my thigh. Ow, that hurts. This is not relaxing. Oh, and I still have cellulite. This is trash. 0 out of 10. A $2 facelift. How am I even supposed to put this on my head? I don't really know why this is a device for a jawline, but okay. I think this is on right. I just find it funny that Kim Kardashian is like selling these things for like, what, $50? And this is like $2 on Temu. It's a scam. 0 out of 10. I actually think this will be very useful considering I get migraines and I need to constantly put ice on my head. All right, let's put her on my face. I'm actually, I think this might be nice. This will come in very useful when I get a migraine. I feel like this is going to take my eyes out. This is fun. Oh, it has music. Music's quite relaxing. This is such a nice device, actually. I'm really surprised that this is actually a nice product. I would say this is a 5 out of 10, somewhat useful. Wow, it's a face! I think you're supposed to use this on your face, not on your arm. $15 to put a light on my face. What the? Ah, it's so tight. This is really weird. Ah, wow. Okay, oh, I can't, oh, cut my face! Oh! This part is all sweaty from my face being on it. Oh God, it turned on again. This thing's scary. You want good skin, there's something called soap and water. 0 out of 10.